Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to the Brooklyn Fisherman. Sorry I haven't put out a video in a while, but I thought that since I was in quarantine, I might as well just sit down and edit something. This was a couple clips from my best day of albie fishing in fall of 2019. Late fall, actually. This is end of October, beginning of November, in a short period of time where we had the albies in. The last video I put out was the calm before the storm. So as you can see, there's huge waves. It's blowing like 15 knots right in my face. And I personally like these conditions better than flat calm. Flat calm is great if you want to see albies feeding on the surface, but stormy conditions like this, where you have the water surface that's turning over and water's not as clear, is great for actually catching them. These albies get super aggressive.
There's mine. You're done. Nice. I got one too.
I started the day off throwing this green and silver EXO Jig in the 1 ounce size. And it was proving to work really well in the flat calm conditions that I had the day prior. But with these windy conditions, it's not going to work. I'm going to continue using it to catch a couple more albies, but I'm going to soon realize that if I just up the size a little bit, that I can double the amount of fish I'm catching. As for the gear I'm using today, I am using a Daiwa Saltist rod. All the specs will be linked in the description below, because I forget exactly which model it is. And then I'm using a Penn Spinfisher VI 4500, spooled with 200 yards of 20-pound Braid with 15-pound mono backing behind it. And then as for leader, I am using 15-pound mono, a 7-foot section of that.
Oh, she's on one. That's awesome.
This woman's going to hook up onto her first fish, which is going to end up being an albie. So I'm super excited for her, because I know how adrenaline rushing this style of fishing is, and tuna fish are in general.
That's just great. Oh, it's really big too.
This take is going to be absolutely amazing.
Oh, yes. Oh, that was an awesome take. That was an awesome take. I saw him crush it through the waves. Oh! Yeah, you go here. Hooked up. Where are you compared to me?
Communication is key in situations like this. You can see down the beach, there's at least a dozen people fishing side by side. And when you hook up to an Albie and it decides to run down the beach, you're going to cross many people's lines. And just talking to people, making sure they know where you are and you know where they are is extremely important.
Yeah, I'm coming under you now, I think. Sorry. Tripled up. Nice. Little itty bitty football. Beauty though.
Alright, here's the slow-mo.
Come on. Gorgeous fish. Later, dude. Here he goes.
As you can see, I'm now switching from the EXO Jig to a Deadly Dick. I don't know exactly which size Deadly Dick this is, but it's about 4 inches and maybe 1.5 ounces in the green color. Anyways, the reason why I'm doing it is because of all the waves and the disturbance on the surface. A small lure, they're not really going to notice it that much. If it was a calm day, on the other hand, a small lure makes a lot of disturbance. But in these conditions, you need to really make them see it. And what better than a big lure that makes all sorts of splashing on the surface. The other thing is that these fish aren't breaking the surface in large schools and confining the bait close to the beach. They're kind of just roaming in small packs. And you really want to just attract those smaller packs of fish to you. Just after 2 casts with the Deadly Dick, I'm gonna hook up.
Oh, there we go. Woo! Going 3 for 4 now. Oh, popped.
You win some, you lose some. That's part of the game.
Yeah, that was fun. There we go. Got him. Not as big as I thought he was, but still. That's a football. Lovely. Wow. Can I get a photo? Here, wait, I put this here. Here's my phone. There you go. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Beautiful fish. Alright. Gorgeous predators. Later, dude. There he goes.
Alright, that's going to be the last fish of the day for me. Thanks again for tuning into the Brooklyn Fisherman. And like and subscribe, please. And I hope I see you guys on the next episode.